Opening your mailbox to find an unexpected tax bill from the IRS, the state of Oregon, or the city of Portland can ruin your day. These surprise bills are often based on incomplete or misunderstood information, leading tax agencies to assume you owe more than you actually do. Let's explore why this happens and how you can fix it. Why do tax bills sometimes pop up out of nowhere? The top 3 reasons you might get an unexpected tax bill are underreporting of income. The IRS can issue a bill if they suspect you underreported your income. This often occurs when they receive information from sources like your employer or other businesses, W-2s or 1099s, that doesn't align with your tax return. However, the IRS may not have the complete picture, as your reporting method or the third-party information might be incomplete. Oregon payroll assessments. In Oregon, if you're registered for payroll taxes but didn't actually run payroll for a particular period, the state might assume you did. This can happen to new businesses that haven't yet hired employees or those that missed running payroll for a specific quarter. City of Portland tax assessments. Businesses operating in Portland may receive tax assessments based on their business activity, even if they don't owe anything for a given period. This often happens when the city makes assumptions based on limited data. Example, how Sarah's Oregon payroll notice was resolved. Let's take Sarah, a growing business owner in Portland, who received a $3,700 payroll tax notice from the Oregon Department of Revenue. The problem? Sarah hadn't run payroll that quarter because she hadn't hired employees yet. Unsure of what to do, Sarah consulted with a Portland tax consultant to help resolve the issue. After reviewing her situation, the consultant identified that the notice was based on incorrect assumptions. Once the right paperwork was filed, the payroll tax assessment and penalties were removed, and Sarah didn't have to pay a dime. Why do people pay these bills without question? It's easy to see why some people just pay these bills without second-guessing them. The letters look official, and the pressure of potential penalties makes it tempting to assume the IRS or the state is correct. But these bills are often wrong, and simply ignoring them can lead to more significant issues and mounting penalties. How to fight back against tax agency assumptions. If you receive one of these surprise tax bills, don't assume it's accurate. Here are steps you can take to avoid overpaying. Don't just pay the notice. Just because the bill comes from the IRS or the state doesn't mean it's accurate. These agencies often rely on incomplete information or make wrong assumptions. Review the notice carefully. Read the details and compare them with your records. Is it an IRS bill based on unreported income, an Oregon payroll or City of Portland tax assessment for a period when you didn't run payroll? Find any discrepancies. File corrected paperwork. If the notice is based on missing or incorrect information, you can often fix the issue by filing the right documentation. For example, if payroll wasn't run, inform the Oregon Payroll Department and clear up the misunderstanding. Consult a tax professional. Navigating these issues can be complicated, and it's easy to miss something important. David Tuck, a former IRS auditor and tax consultant in Portland, specializes in helping individuals and businesses resolve these surprise tax bills. With the right guidance, you can ensure you're not paying more than you owe. The bottom line: surprise tax bills from the IRS, the state of Oregon, or the city of Portland don't have to cost you. These agencies often make assumptions that lead to inaccurate bills, but you have the power to fight back. By reviewing the notice, correcting the errors, and consulting a tax professional, you can resolve these issues before they become bigger problems. Need help with a tax notice? If you're dealing with a surprise tax bill and aren't sure how to respond, David Tuck, a former IRS auditor, can help. He'll work with you to understand the notice, file the right paperwork, and make sure you're only paying what you owe. Don't let tax agency assumptions cost you. Reach out today to protect your business and your wallet.